2 enemies warping in, Captain.
Red alert,
They're
shields
powering
up.
up their weapon systems.
Here we go again.
Their forward shield is draining.
Tractor beam has been disabled, Captain.
Sir, they have hull breaches on multiple decks.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed.
Target hull integrity at 75%. Target hull integrity at 25%. Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Sir, our aft shield is draining.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. Sir, that's the last of them. I believe we're in the clear.
That was not really the kind of party I was expecting.
Several enemy ships
Red
have
alert,
entered the
shields
system.
up.
They are powering up their weapon systems.
Here we go again.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Target disabled.
Their forward shield is draining. Captain, our attacks are draining their right shield.
Sir, we're going to hit.
Shields are at 75%.
Target disabled.
Shields are at 75%. Sir, our aft shield is draining.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
We're in danger of colliding with another ship, Captain.
Shields are at 50%.
Target disabled.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir. Target hull integrity at 25%.
Target disabled. Sir, that's the last of them. I believe we're in the clear.
That was not really the kind
Cancel
of party I
red
was
alert.
expecting.
Aye, Captain. All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Phaser array is fully functional. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 50%.
Yes, sir?